voices crying out from 6 feet underground. The fight goes on and on.
Ngayon, hindi na dalawa ang puso ninyong magkahiwalay. Iisa na lang. Do not divide your heart. Otherwise, you will die. Iisa na lang kayo at ang dasal namin ay manatili kayo, nagsasama at nagmamahalan hanggang wakas ng inyong buhay. Until death, do us part.
At last, this is it. The greatest plot twist in our life. We waited for God's perfect time for us. Thank you kay God kasi sa loob ng maraming taon, lahat yun nalampasan natin at kinaya natin.
Boo, I see these vows not as a promise but as a lifetime commitment to you. It is indeed a roller coaster ride of emotions. At first, no one expected that we're going to end up with each other, but look at us now.
Allow me to be the first one to give you a gift. And here is my gift. This box is empty. Empty. Why am I giving you an empty box?
Thank you for being the foundation of our relationship, for always sticking on me and agreeing to my ridiculous ideas. I also want to thank you for respecting my parents, especially when you ask their blessings. I don't say this often, but I love you with all my heart.
This empty box reminds you of the time when you first met. Marlo and Erica, you were this empty box. You met for the first time when both of you were empty. You met for the first time when both of you were down.
Maybe it's the way you say my name. Maybe it's the way way you play your game.
Pinapabigay ni
Thank you. Ay, pa ganito.
Kinakabahan ka naman.
To my husband, this time is so precious. Let's spend it wisely. I love you, Erica. Erica, thank you. See you later sa simbahan.
And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine. Mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile. That you are the one for me.
Thank you. Yes. So to my future wife, Erica, this is my gift to you. Alam kong favorite mong lavender, kaya nung nakita ko tong watch, alam ko bagay at perfect sa'yo. See you in church later, and I can't wait to exchange ID with you. I love you. I love Marco. Hi, thank you. I love it. I love it.
And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine.
Marlo, please continue to be dandelions for each other. Dandelions are symbols of resilience, of healing, of beauty, of love. Marlo and Erica, pareho kayong galing sa medyo angat na pamilya. Pareho kayong puno. But even if you come from angat na pamilya, learn to be empty. Be humble enough to be empty, because it is only in being empty that love can find its place.
Sa 8 bilyong nakasilong,
Sa 8 bilyong tao sa mundo, napakaswerte ko dahil ikaw ang nahanap at ikaw ang ibinigay ng nagmahal sa akin. Hindi mo lang pinasaya ang buhay ko, kundi kinulayan mo pa. Binigyan mo ng sigla at unti-unti mong binuo ang mundong aking pinapangarap.
Boo, thank you so much for being my supporter, listener, best friend, mentor, and lover. I promise to choose us every single day. At your lowest, downest, and darkest moments, I'll stick to you. You are not alone anymore.
I promise to choose you every single day. Pinapangako ko na araw-araw kitang mamahalin, papasayahin, poprotektahan at pagsisilbihan. Gusto kong maalala at matandaan mo ang araw na ito, April 30, 2024, dito sa harap ng altar ng Sanctuario de Santa Barbara, kasama ng ating mga mahal sa buhay. Ng pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay wagas at walang katapusan. Mahal na mahal kita at walang pwedeng makapagbabago.
Erica, did you come here of your free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father!
Yes, the best. Sana all.
Lastly, I thank the Almighty for being the center of our relationship. Humingi lang ako ng pandesal, pero binigyan ako ng hamburger with fries and drinks pa. Thank you, Lord! Order out. Order. Hindi ko na sabi. So,
Paano
Marlo, did you come here of your free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Dalangin kita